And we're back yet again with another simple GPU teardown. Today we are doing an FX 3700. 3700, I believe? Yes, FX 3700. My bad, sorry. And today we will need small Phillips head screwdriver, a size 5 hex nut bit, I was about to say screw bit, tweezers for the fan connector possibly. I always find them easier with tweezers, but that's just me, and a regular size Phillips screwdriver, just in case. So we will take the GPU, turn it on its back, and begin unscrewing all these spring-loaded screws. My God, there's a lot. And just so you know, oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. Your fan connector is right here. Just so you know. And let's get started. I'm very interested to see, because I think YouTube's algorithm is pushing up Quadro videos that I post, because all of my Quadro videos are really high in views on my channel. So I'm going to put out a bunch more, and that's the main reason why all of these teardowns lately have been Quadros. That looked like a little bit of corrosion. I'm a little concerned, but it's fine. So I'm curious as to, no SLI support it says. I'm not sure about that one. Probably not anymore, but back then it might have. I'm interested to see how well Quadro videos are gonna do. Let's not mar up my only 3700. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Man, that would be crazy to get on video. I open this up and then it's just like, oh hey, the entire inside of the GPU is rusted. Which it shouldn't be, because at a certain point, I think this was during this point, I started testing every single GPU I got in. That was a while ago I started doing that, and it was for the better, because I did end up getting dead GPUs. Alright, now that that's off, we want to just wiggle this a little bit, and it should just pop off, like that. Ooh, it's dusty, that's for sure. And if we just do that, now the GPU is exposed, and I will use my tweezers, my trusty tweezers, to just, whoop. There we go. You can get better grips on these little sides with tweezers, but be careful, because if you grip too hard you could possibly pull one of these wires out. Whew. Dusty. So this one I definitely didn't open up originally when I first got the card. I'll brush this off with a toothbrush in a minute. But to continue, now that GPU is apart, and just to annoy all the people out there, we will take off the I/O plate. Why? Because I can. Ooh, it really is stuck on there though. Is that screw bent in any meaningful way? No. Just got a really good grip. I'm trying to go fast because I have very limited daylight left. And I realized when I set up this camera that I set it up to film the face down teardowns, and I need to do a GPU introduction before it becomes too dark. So, and we have to remove this for that as well. These are sometimes hit or miss with the small Phillips, so that's why I say have a regular Phillips head. So now we will move all of that to the side. This is now complete. This will get set to the side. And I normally tear the cooler off. I normally do. But the thing is, this cooler is attached via these little clips. And what you could do is you can just like, I'm sure, well, maybe even not that. Maybe it won't come out that way. You could try. I don't recommend it. You can get access enough to your cooler right here that you can get any real dust. You could blow this way. You could blow this way, sorry, or this way. You could get enough dust out of here that it would improve cooling performance. So I do not recommend that you take out this cooler. You can try. I'm sure if you put a flathead screwdriver and just wrench and pull up while trying to pull this away, I'm sure you could get this cooler out. But I don't want to attempt that because I don't want to risk damaging this GPU's cooler, because I don't have an extra one and it's going to be impossible to find another one this day and age. So that is where I'm going to leave that. As for everything, that is how you tear apart an FX 3700. Thank you for joining me. I'm actually going to clean off this GPU just a bit before I put it back together. And I really hope this helps somebody in the world. Whoever. So, I am having a bad train of thought. So, I will see you in the next video, and have a great day.